The learning sprouts!
Look down in the grass. I see something small. It has 6 legs. It is a bug.
Oh, look! It's a ladybug. It is red, with little black spots. It is a beautiful bug. Let's read it together. Look at the red bug. Look over there by the dirt. It's an ant. Ants are very strong. They work so hard. Can you read this with me? The ant is strong. Look up! A butterfly. Its wings are so bright and blue. It is flying high. Let's read the last one. I love all the bugs. Before we go, let's remember our words. Ladybug, ant, bee, bug.